Hello parents, this is Mr. Talbot. I'm making this video because I need your help getting your son or daughter to link a document to their name. This is something that I spent a lot of time with the whole class working on today, and about 15 students were able to do it, and our remaining students whose names are here, I couldn't really help them too much from not being in the same room with them. This is really something that if they don't know how to do, someone needs to be next to them. So I'm asking if you could please watch this video and sit down with them and help them create a link to a document for me. That's what this video is going to show you how to do. The very first step in all this is to go to a website that is called classroom.google.com. And all students in my class have already joined Mr. Talbot's class. So somewhere in the classroom.google.com page, there should be Mr. Talbot's class. And once you click on Mr. Talbot's class, at the top, there's something called classwork. And once you get to classwork, you want to go to digital portfolio. Digital portfolio. When you do that, this document will appear. Okay, and if you got my email, that means that your son or daughter's name is someplace in this document, on the top of the document. And what I need to do in this video is to show you how to open this link and make a copy of it, and then make a link of the copy to this name. Okay, so that's what I'm about to show you how to do. Students really struggled with this today, so hopefully this will clarify what to do. I've put my name down here as an example, so please follow these steps. The first one is to click on the word link, and when you do that, a digital portfolio will open, and you want to click on that. Once you do that, a new tab will open that looks like this. And this is a document that you need to make a copy of. So to make a copy, you go to the word File, and then you go down to Make a Copy. And automatically it's called Copy of Digital Portfolio, but we don't want that. We want to get rid of the words Copy of, and we're going to name it. This one's going to be called Mr. Talbot's Digital Portfolio. Yours would be Teresa's Digital Portfolio, or Kyle's, whatever your first name is. So I'll name mine David's Digital Portfolio. And after you rename it, click on the word OK. As soon as you click on OK, the computer will create a new copy of the document that is yours. And you can tell it's yours because your name is up in the top left-hand corner. Whatever you titled the document, it'll say it up there. Now, we need to make a copy of this. Sorry, we already made a copy. We need to share this. So in the top right-hand corner, there's another blue button that says Share. And if you click on the word Share, two boxes appear, and one of them says Get Link. That's what we need. We need to get the link. So if you click on this word down here that says Copy Link, okay, it'll say Link Copied, and that means that the computer now remembers the link. And you can keep clicking it. It does the same thing. It's just telling the computer to remember the link. After you copy the link, click Done. Okay, and now look at your tabs at the top and go back to the 2020 Digital Portfolio HyperDoc. This is the part that a lot of students struggled with. When you get back here, you want to find your name and click and drag over it or highlight it. Okay, so you can see I highlighted Mr. Talbot by clicking and dragging. If clicking and dragging doesn't work, you can click next to your name, hold down the Shift button, and move the right arrow over until your whole name is highlighted. Once your name is highlighted, go to this button in the toolbar to insert a link. You click on the button, and a little box will appear that says paste a link or search. We want to paste a link. And the way to paste a link is to hit Control, hold down the Control button, and then hit V. And then that's our link right there. If that doesn't work for you, for some reason Control V isn't working, you can right click and then go down to paste. And when you do that, the word apply will pop up. And you can check that you've done it correctly, because when you click on your name, it'll take you to the document that we want to see. Okay. If you could please review these directions with your son or daughter this evening or tomorrow. It's pretty important for us to take our next steps in our writing class, because we're going to be using these types of links throughout the school year. Thank you for your time, and I appreciate your help. I wish I could have had all 24 students be successful at this today, but it's a really tough thing to teach if kids don't know their keyboard very well, or how to link different documents. So I hope this clarified it. Please email me if you get stuck, and I'll try to answer your questions as best as I can. Thanks for your help, and have a great night.